how to allow others to share your reels to their stories. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to allow people or users on Facebook to share your story to their reels, to your reels to their story. Sorry. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. And now click on those three lines up there. Click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down and click on posts. And here click on the last option, which is who can see your future reels. Now you have the last option, which is allow other to share your reels to their stories. Click on yes or no, whatever you are comfortable with. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.